Wish you all a lovely day. Good morning. Now, today we are going to start another grammar topic, adjectives. What are adjectives? You've already covered these all grammar topics in class 5. The concepts are almost clear. So, in class 6, we'll just recapitulate what do we understand. Okay? Even it could be used again even if you are in class 5. So listen it very carefully. Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. If I say I have a gray pencil. Now what is the adjective for the pencil I have used? Gray. What is pencil? A naming word? And how I'm defining, how I'm adding or describing about this pencil? Small pencil. So small is adding some meaning to the noun pencil, right? So here gray or small will be an adjective to this pencil, right? Look at the definition. Adjectives are describing words that add to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. That means adjectives modify a noun or a pronoun, modify the attributes of a noun or a pronoun. That means they qualify in some meaning, they tell you something more about a noun in a sentence or a pronoun in a sentence. Let's see some example. A strong rope. Now what is rope here? Rope is a noun. What kind of rope? Strong. So now this word strong is adding to the meaning of rope, or we can say it's telling something more about the rope. What kind of quality it has? Strong. So here strong is adjective. An expressive speaker. Again, speaker is some person. Refer to the word. It is a noun. What kind of speaker? Expressive. Again, this word is adding to some attribute, to some characteristics of this word, which is a noun, and then this becomes an adjective. Now look at this sentence now. These were phrases. Now look the sentence. She is beautiful. Now when I say she is beautiful, who is beautiful? What I'm describing about, no? So this word beautiful is adding to some meaning, adding to this word, meaning of this word, she, referring to she. She here stands as a pronoun for some noun. There could be any girl, Jia, Ria, Tia, Via, right? No, anybody. Now she refers to pronoun in place of a noun. So we define here adjectives are describing words that add to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Here beautiful is adding to the meaning, telling something more about she. So here it becomes adjective. Last example here. The old lady lived in a small house. Now in this sentence we have two nouns, lady and house. So what are they being described by? What kind of house? Small. So adjective. What kind of lady? Old. Again adjective. I hope by now you have recapitulated what do you mean by adjective. Now look at, before we go on to the kinds, look at what could be the different positions of adjectives in a sentence. Look at the first example. Rama is a pretty girl. As I earlier explained, so pretty here becomes adjective to the girl, noun. Right? Now, there you have seen that adjective is placed before a noun. Right? Earlier, whatever examples I have given, they were all before the noun. This one, and this one. It was little different. Now, second, adjectives can be placed after a noun. Look, that girl is pretty. She is beautiful. Now, here the noun is coming prior to the adjective, and adjective is after the be form of verb, right? So adjective can be placed before a noun or after a noun. Again, as in the sentence above, the adjective can also form a be verb. Be verb means forms of be are is, am, are, was, were and been. Right? So be verb. The rope is strong. A strong rope. The rope is strong. Now is a be verb. Strong is following it. So again, this is an adjective. At last, adjectives can also be there after adverb very. Very is an adverb. It is extremely pleasant today. So extremely is an adverb, pleasant is adjective. Similarly, very intelligent. Very is adverb, intelligent is adjective. So let's revise in a sentence where all you can find adjectives: before a noun, after a be verb and after adverb. Clear? Okay. Now coming over to kinds or types of adjectives. The very first type is adjective of quality. When I say adjective of quality, quality means you need to ask a question, what kind of noun does it qualify? Noun की क्या विशेषता बता रहा है? Like what kind of? You have to ask this question. What kind of? Now look at the above example. The old lady. What kind of lady? Answer you got old. If you get an answer on asking what kind of with any noun, and if you get an answer, that will be adjective of quality. So whatever adjectives we have done over in the first 4 examples, they were all adjective of quality because you are getting the answer. Look, what kind of rope? Strong. What kind of speaker? Expressive. What kind of she? The girl? Beautiful. What kind of lady? Old. What kind of house? Small. So all are these examples of adjective of quality. So what do you understand by adjective of quality? The word that tells something about the characteristics of noun in terms of quality, in terms of what kind of. Now look at the second, adjective of quantity. As the name suggests, quantity, here you will get how much, the total quantity of a noun. For example, if I say mother got a kg of rice. Now here kg, a kg is quantity, right? Kiski quantity? Of rice, right? So other example, I have taken enough food. Now how much food? Enough. Enough here refers to sufficient amount I have. So enough. How much you have? Enough. So what the words that tells the quantity of the noun they are describing, that would be adjective of quantity, and you need to ask the question how much with that noun. If you get an answer within how much, that would be adjective of quantity. Coming over to third type, adjective of number. Again, quantity in terms, but it's a fixed number, so that is why some books say it adjectives of number. And in some books you will find these two as a common name, with a common name, like quantitative adjectives, and they'll be dealing the quantity, number and other different kinds of number, right? So depends on the book. So adjective of quantity, how much in amount. Adjective of number, how much in counting, right? So that is why we ask the question how many with the noun. For example, if I say I have 1 pencil, how many pencils? 1. So 1 here is describing not the quality, rather the number of pencil. So that is why 1 will be adjective of number. When I say I have a small pencil, it is not describing the number. It says what kind of pencil? Small pencil. So small is adjective of quality, whereas if I say I have one pencil, one will be adjective of number. Okay, when we say adjective of number, there are three different kinds here. You can have a definite numeral. Definite numeral, as I said, I have one pencil, so one is definite. How many? One. But second type, indefinite numeral. Indefinite numeral means you can have like I have some pens. Now how many pens, you are not exactly telling ki how many, but you are telling some pens. Some can be 7, can be 3, can be 2, any. So it is indefinite numeral. Whereas the third type is distributive also. Now when we say, and this sometimes in some books you'll find it as a separate kind of adjective, distributive adjective. Now what is distributive adjective? Such an adjective, such a word which tells each one of a number. For example, I say each boy must get his turn. Now whatever the count of boys would be standing, they each one, that means out of the group of boys, each is referred here. That means each one of a number. So normally the words each, either, neither, every, these are the words that refer to distributive adjective. When I say each, every of you will get a prize, every one of you will get a prize. Now every here refers to the each person, right, who are listening to me, right? So that means the word which refers to each one of a number will be, and working of course as an adjective, will be adjective, distributive adjective. It's one of the kind of number only. Come on to the fourth kind, demonstrative adjective. Now what is demonstrative? Demonstrate kya hota hai? Demonstrate, to show, right, to point something. If I say in this example, how should I, okay, I put the pencil here, that pencil. Now pencil is far away from me. I said give me that pencil, give me that pencil, or this pencil is mine. When I say this or that, I'm pointing to that. No, I'm showing which one, this one. So when you get answer from which one, that would be demonstrative. Usually there are only 5 words which are demonstrative adjective. Which this, first is this, that, these, those, and such, right? So these are the 5 key words which are in the category of demonstrative adjective, and they point to which one you want, that one I want, these are mine, right? So these, like these books are mine, sorry, these, which books? These books. Okay, so come to the fifth one, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, of course, see, interrogative, you know, asking questions. It's a kind of sentence. Similarly, sometimes certain words which inquire and ask question but sits with the noun or a pronoun is working as interrogative adjective. If I say which pen do you want? Which pen? Now pen is a noun. It is sitting, like which is sitting within this pen, right? And asking, inquiring which pen. So word is a question word. So such kind of adjectives which are question words and inquiring and sitting with the noun, they are interrogative adjectives. Now look at the sixth type, possessive adjective. Possessive, again possess means to own something, किसी चीज का आप, belongingness, right? Possess. Similarly, words, the words that refer, that shows some belongingness about a noun, like for example, let's say my bag. Bag, whose bag? My bag. Or you could even say whose and all, right? So such kind of words which show possession and are of course adjective, they are describing, adding to a noun or a pronoun, they are possessive adjective. Now I give you a simple rule which I normally say. If I had been in your class right now, I would make you stand up and sit with you, telling, if you are noun, I am adjective, I will sit always by your side. Right? That means normally you will find adjectives just near the nouns. Right? Sometime, actually, why I'm telling this definition, because pronouns are almost similar. Normally you will get confused, and when I will deal with the chapter pronouns, we'll find the same kind of adjectives in same kind of words in the pronouns. We have demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, possessive pronouns. So there we need to distinguish whether we are telling about adjective or pronoun. We'll deal that later on when I start pronouns. But just remember what I have told. You'll usually find adjectives with the nouns. Adjectives are normally sitting with the noun. So when I say which friend, which here is used as adjective because friend के साथ बैठा है. If I say 6 friends, 6 is adjective because noun के साथ बैठा है. Okay, so now look at these small examples once more and we'll see. We'll find out the type we have already covered. First example, I have 6 friends. Of course, 6 is an adjective. All are nice. I have written all the adjectives in black. All nice. Each stands by me in my thick and thin. Now, thick and thin is a difficult situation or a good, happy or a difficult situation. It's a kind of a noun here only, right? Okay, so friends noun, 6 adjective. What kind of friends? 6. No answer. 6 answer nahi hai. What kind of friends? Quality is not described. But if I say how much friends, again I didn't get any answer. But if I say how many friends, yes, 6 friends. So 6 is adjective of number. 6 is adjective of number. Now look here, all are nice. Now this all is again used for friends, though it is not shown here, but it is obvious that we are talking of friends, used for noun only. Now look at, ask the question, what kind of friends? No answer. How much friends? No answer. How many friends? All are nice. He is not talking about 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Out of 6, all are nice. So all here refers to again number, but it is indefinite numeral. It is indefinite numeral. So all is also adjective of number, right? Nice. Again, nice is talking about friends only, right? What kind of friends? Nice. So nice here is adjective of quality. Each stand, again friend is not shown, but this each is for, in continuation I've used the sentence for friends. Now each, the word each refers to each one of them. How many they in total? 6. So that means all 6, each one of them. Stands by me, मेरे साथ खड़े होते हैं, in my thick and thin. Now my here is possessive, मेरी खुशी और दुख में, thick and thin. Okay, now look at the next example. Which boy are you talking about? Now boy is a noun here in this sentence. Now which boy? You're asking a question, you're inquiring about which one, which boy, right? So you will get this because it's a question word. It is interrogative adjective. And if I say that boy in yellow shirt, that boy, now I'm pointing to, standing somewhere, I'm saying that boy. So that here, which boy? Again you're asking the question which one, but you're getting that demonstration, right? That boy in yellow shirt is my friend. So that here is demonstrative adjective. Yellow shirt, shirt is a noun. What kind of shirt? Yellow. So adjective of quality. And what is my friend? Friend is a noun. Whose friend? My friend. Possession, mera. Belongingness. Whose friend? My friend. So it is possessive pronoun, possessive adjective, right? So let's quickly see once again what are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words that add to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. A strong rope, an expressive speaker, she is beautiful, old lady, small house. Strong, expressive, beautiful, old and small are all adjectives of quality because they answer the questions with the noun. What kind of noun? So adjective of quality. This is a historical site. What kind of site? Historical. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity. How much? I want some juice. How much juice? Some juice. Now some is indefinite right? Indefinite quantity. Again, quantity could be definite and indefinite. Okay, adjective of number. How many? I take 2 glasses of milk every day. How many glasses of milk? 2 glasses. So adjective of number. She has no pen to write with. What in number? No pen in number. She has not even one, right? So no here referring to adjective of number. Every boy of the class got a prize. Again, boy is a noun. Every referring each one of the boy. So every is distributive adjective. Again, that comes under the adjective of number. Okay, then demonstrative adjective. We ask which one? Those cows. Which cows? Those. So we are demonstrating, pointing out. So those cows are hungry. Of course, hungry here is also adjective, but it is adjective of quality, right? Okay. Such people should not be entertained. What kind of people? Which people? Such people. Such. Again, you're demonstrating essay, right? So such is also adjective or demonstrative adjective. As I already told you, this, that, these, those. These and those are plural of this and that. Okay, and such. These are the 5 words which are in the category of demonstrative adjective. Now come to interrogative. What color do you like? Now color is a noun. उसके साथ question word बैठा है, sitting with it, interrogative adjective. Whose bag? Now question word with a bag. It is interrogative adjective. Now come to possessive adjective. We love our country. Belongingness. Whose country? Ours country. So our here refers to possession, right? Possessive and sitting with a noun. Describing what, adding more to the meaning of country. Our country. Kiski? Hamari. So our here is possessive adjective. Again, that is your shirt. Shirt is a noun. Your is adjective. See, I have taken it purposely. That is your shirt. Now here that is not demonstrative adjective, rather it is demonstrative pronoun. That I will take when I'll take the topic pronoun. I will teach you the difference between the adjective and pronoun, right? I'm leaving right now. That is pronoun, not an adjective here. Adjective होता तो ये noun के साथ बैठा होता, like I have said, those cows, that boy, right? So that is all about adjectives. I have told you the kind, what are they, only the comparison I will, and how to form adjective from different nouns and verbs. That is the topic. I'm going to take it tomorrow. By that time, whatever book pages I'm sending you, go through them, revise what we have done. If you want to note it down, note it down. And if you don't want this page to be noted down, it's okay, no worries, just understand it. I will be sending you a small 5 to 10 sentences to find adjectives and tell the kind. Do that exercise as homework. Okay, thank you for listening carefully.